So I'm having breakfast in my hostel. It is 10 euros. So you can see cornflakes, croissants, my favorite croissants, cornflakes, milk, water, tea, honey. So all these fruits, fruit cocktail, baked beans, and all the cutlery. So excellent. We can sit here and have breakfast. So beautiful place. Yeah, excellent maintenance. And these are breads, rice cakes, white toast bread, toaster, and tea, coffee. So tea, coffee machine. So excellent. So I am having breakfast there, sitting on the bench last. Hello everyone. Good morning. Today is 25th Sunday. So I am just starting from my hostel. I am a bit late today. Now it is 9:45 a.m. So today I am planning to go to Lake Como, and if possible I will go to Switzerland border areas from Como, because I was pass valid till today. So let me see how it go. How it is beautiful Kone lift to go in this beautiful hostel. You can see restaurant reception. So hostel reception. So I'm just going to metro. So I will check if I have to go to Milano Centrale or any other metro stop, because I have to go to Lake Como. So my intention is not to go to Milano Central, but I need faster connections to go to Lake Como. I don't want to spend too much time on the trains, slow trains I mean to say. So this is the hostel, beautiful hostel. So it is only 46 euros per night, but breakfast not included. Breakfast is another 10 francs, but it is 10 euros, but it is worth it, because in breakfast I had croissants, cornflakes and bread, juices, everything for 10 euros is excellent. I'm just leaving my hostel now. You can see beautiful Milan city, Milano, they call it in Italian. This is a beautiful neighborhood close to my hostel. So hostel is very close to Milano Central Station and Garibaldi Station. Garibaldi Station only 2-3 stops. Milano Central only 5-6 stops, but we have to change metro. So 2 metros we have to take, metro lines I mean to say, M3 and M5, but Garibaldi is straight. So Milano Centrale, so from Milan Central we can go to Milan Malpensa Airport, direct airport train. So we have also connections from my hostel. We have to take different metros. So there are several options to go to Milan Malpensa Airport. So which I am going tomorrow in the night. My flight is Emirates A380. So at 10:30 p.m. from Milan, it will go to Dubai. I just stay in Dubai for 5 days, because I always traveled via Dubai, but never stayed in Dubai, visited Dubai. So in this trip, just I want to visit Dubai also, because I am just breaking my journey. I am not paying anything extra for the airlines. So and also I got very good deal in Hilton hotels close to Dubai airport. So which is only 20,000 rupees for 5 days. So I think it is excellent price. That's why I'm just staying in Dubai for 5 days before going home. So I just checked internet, Google. So it says I have to go to Milano Garibaldi. No need to go to Milano Centrale. So Garibaldi is just 2 stops from my metro stop. So from Garibaldi I can take fast train to Como SG. It takes 1 hour 8 minutes. If it is slow with like more stops, it takes 1 hour 24 minutes. So I just see based on my time of arrival in Garibaldi. So whatever train is there, I will just take it. And I want to quickly go to Como, Lake Como, because it is already late today. So after visiting Lake Como, I will see. I have a Swiss pass till valid till today, valid till tomorrow morning 5 a.m. So I just see if I can visit any border areas in Switzerland with my pass, beautiful places if there are any. So I don't want to go deep like into Zurich, Bern, because it takes 3-4 hours. So I don't want to spend too much time on the train, because I have to return. I have to come back to Milano Centrale by at least 8:39 9 p.m. before it gets dark. So that is my plan. So let me see how it works. So I can also change the plan based on the time, based on the trains, based on my mood. So it is not fixed. So as long as I have pass, I can go. This is the metro stop, Senisio. I have to remember this. This is the closest metro stop to my hostel. It's only 600 meters from my hostel. Senisio. I need to remember on M5. You can see the line ticket to take metro. I have to select the language. I have to select English. So top up ticket, travel cards and passes, tickets, and this one I have to buy. So just a 90-minute. So I have to go to only 3-4 stops. Pay now. So I will use cards and debit cards. Do you want the repayment receipt? So I say no. And I have just put my card, debit card, in this slot. So the ticket, and I have to enter my PIN and press enter. Then ticket came out from this slot. So this is the ticket. So this is the ticket, metro ticket for today. So I have to take this train going to Bignami. So I am at Sensio. So I have to go to Garibaldi FS. So from there I can take different trains or train to Lake Como. So I have to catch now Bignami, going to Bignami, 2:30 minutes. I just missed one train. Not a problem, every 3 minutes we have train. So this is a metro map. Okay. So, and this is the metro stop in Sensio. So you can see I just explained. I am going here, Garibaldi FS. I am at Sensio. Only one stop, Monumentally, then Garibaldi FS. So how clear it is. The train is coming to go to Garibaldi FS. Garibaldi is the station. So this metro train is going to Parco Nardo, means north. So north, so there is only one stop in between. I have to get on at second stop, Garibaldi. Metro in Milan. This is metro in Milan, M5. This is Garibaldi FS. This is the Garibaldi station for M5. So I have to take another train, or long distance train, Como SG. Departures from Garibaldi FS, Como SG, S11. So platform 17. So this is the exit to go up for M2, S11, S8, Milano, Malpensa Express, exit, everything. A beautiful platform. I came from buy tickets in this self-vending ticket machines, or I can also buy here. So I bought here from this Chinese lady. So it is 520 only one way. So two way it is 1040. But I will see after going there whether I want to go to Switzerland or Chiasso. So return I can take anyhow. Return ticket is same price. Unlike England. In England, always up and down prices are same. So it is better to take up and down return ticket in England. So my train is at 10:39 to Chiasso. It will go via Como SG. So I have the buildings. When I came outside, just because I have time, I want to spend here 10, 15, 20 minutes. You can see beautiful buildings in Garibaldi. So excellent. Milan. You can see AXA Life Insurance building, Novartis building, and Marriott hotels. Beautiful buildings with trees, plants, creepers in each and every floor, each and every flat. So that is more green building. So with less carbon emissions. There's residents in that towers. They breathe pure oxygen. Beautiful buildings with trees, plants, creepers in each and every floor, each and every flat. So that is more green building. So with less carbon emissions. There's residents in that towers. They breathe pure oxygen.